Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your heating issue in your Infinix device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings and here it is app management. Then click on app list and here you have to search here system, then clear the cache of this system settings like this, and you have to do this with all these like this. Then simply press back. You have to click on any of the apps like this. Click on the app, click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you have to turn off the background data. It will not use in background, so it will fix your heating problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.